Armando Bone, Ludacris, Prince Royce.
You know when you had to bring it back.
Rewriting history. Dale.
Quiero saber cuándo te volveré a ver. I wanna know. Quiero saber cuándo es la próxima vez. Yo sé que te gusta, mamacita, como te doy lo que tú necesitas. Te prendí y hago que tú te derritas. Me aruñas and I'm getting deeper and deeper, yeah. Como lo hacíamos antes, como amigos, como amantes. Tan complicado y sencillo.
Oh, you like that?
She said, oh, we so down for the ride. Pasan los años y no te olvido. Tantas posiciones descubrimos, podemos ser un lío. Quiero saber cuándo te volveré a ver. I wanna know. Quiero saber cuándo es la próxima vez.
It's whatever, whenever, wherever, with whoever. I'm ready with Betty, with Jenny, with Lonnie, with Bonnie, with Cammy, with Yami, your sister, your mammy, your auntie, she want it. I'm with it, don't stop, get it, work that pretty kitty. You need it, I got it, believe me, I'm bad it. I roll it and light it, jump on it and ride it, it's on it. Loquito, mandito, te da un besito en tu ombliguito, te saca el mojito, te vuelvo loquito and I'm gone. Estos muchachitos hablan mucho, no hacen nada. Ponle taquito en los huevitos, dale mami más. Yo soy hombre hecho y derecho animal. Ludacris, Armando Bone, Prince Royce, sing the song.
Quiero saber cuándo te volveré a ver. I wanna know. Quiero saber cuándo es la próxima vez.
Listen, I'm back and I'm better. They want me more now than ever. I told them I came to save the day. In fact, I'm a rebel. I still got all of this cheddar, and women know that the boy don't play. Loving how I position your silly putty arms. Your legs will turn into Twizzlers, kissing your body soft from your toes to your forehead. May just come up missing, police will be sending code reds. It's an emergency, loving you is an urgency. Purposely call me nutty, professor stronger than Hercules. Dame amor, can you be my señorita? You speak Spanish, I say sí, mamacita.
Quiero saber cuándo te volveré a ver. I wanna know. Quiero saber cuándo es la próxima vez.
You know we getting live off that Rollie 305. Royce, Luda Pit, yeah, them boys gon' ride. Remaking history one more time, that's right. You know we getting live off that Rollie 305.